In this video, we're going to go over the chat feature of Flow Orchestra. As you can see, we're currently in our dashboard, so to get to the chat area, we just need to come over here and click the chat button in our sidebar, and you will see we're taken to the chat area where our first task is to select an assistant. This will look different depending on what assistants you've added to your profile. So we're just going to select the all-around general assistant, and then we can give our chat a name, and we're going to chat about automation. So we'll name this automation chat. And then to talk to an assistant, it's kind of just like having a conversation with a colleague or a friend. So we're just going to start asking it some questions and see what type of results we can get. So the first question we're going to ask, I'm interested in automating some processes in my business. What are the top 3 benefits of automation? And then from there you can simply hit enter or press this button right here. And it's off, so we're waiting on the response here. And here comes the response. So you can see it tells us increased efficiency and productivity, cost savings, some other stuff, some good information here. But we want to continue the conversation. So let's go ahead and ask it a follow-up question. And we'll say, based on these benefits, can you suggest specific areas in my business where automation could have the most impact? Let's see what it has to say here. And we can see it's always very happy to help, and it comes back with several great ideas: CRM, finance, inventory, several different ideas of where we could benefit from automation. But let's keep on going. Let's ask it another question. So next we're going to ask it, what are some best practices I should follow to successfully implement automation in my processes? Let's see what it has to say to this. And here it comes back with some fantastic guidance on what we could do to start the process of implementing automation into our businesses. It's got several ideas, very good stuff. Now let's ask it one more question just to make sure we have plenty of information on this topic. So now we're going to ask it to provide a step-by-step plan for integrating automation that includes key milestones and potential challenges to watch out for. And let's see what it can do for us here. And here comes the step-by-step plan. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. And it looks pretty thorough. So this is fantastic information. It took us just 20 seconds or so. And it'd be even quicker if I weren't recording this demo. So there you go. That's how you use the chat functionality. And you can switch assistants in the middle of a chat if you would like. You can continue chatting on for as long as you like. You'll always be able to find your previous chats here in your history. And you can rename the chat at any time if you want to make it easier to find in your history. And that is pretty much the essence of how you use the chat functionality here in Flow Orchestra. In some follow-up videos, we'll go into more stuff such as creating stacks and save stacks and some other good stuff like that. You can always just create a new chat like this, change the assistant if you want to start with a different assistant for a new topic and conversation. But that's about as easy as it gets. See you in the next video.